Izzy here. It's time to do an unboxing and a quick overview of Sony's newest full-frame lens. That's the 24-105 FE f4 G Series OSS. Coming right up. All right, so it's time to take a look and see what Sony provides inside the box with this new 24-105 zoom. Let's open it up. And of course, the first thing you're going to find here is the instructional pamphlet information and warranty card. Now, of course, the pamphlets come in multiple languages, and if you want further information or more detailed information, I highly suggest downloading the PDF file from Sony's website. And here is, of course, your warranty information stating that it is USA and Canada only, and if it's purchased from an authorized dealer like Digital Goja. But let's go on and take a look at the more important part that comes in here. Wow. So here we go. We get it in a really nice Sony banded leatherette bag, I guess, with a drawstring top. That means that this is something that allows you to take this beautiful lens with you everywhere. And there it is, the new 24-105 G Series f4 OSS lens. Notice that it comes with a proprietary lens hood. This tulip lens hood is going to allow you to work with this in harsh lighting environments, plus give you the added protection. And it's a standard 77mm filter thread size. So that means you can get incredible UV, CPL, and neutral density filters for it. Now, let's take a closer look at the features and the capabilities of this remarkable new zoom lens from Sony. So the newest zoom in Sony's full frame lineup, of course, is their 24-105 FE OSS G Series, and it's a constant f4 aperture. This is exactly what we were waiting for. This lens was introduced, of course, when they released their incredible new Sony a7R III, but don't get me wrong, this will work great with the a7R II, the a7 II, even the a9 I have sitting back here. This is a fantastic lens for all-around use. Again, having a full-frame 24-105mm perspective, that means that you can do wide-angle interiors, landscape, scenics, group shots, event photography, and with the combined optical stabilization system that is on the lens with certain cameras in Sony's repertoire, means that no more tripods or monopods having to be taken along. This lens can be used in handheld situations where you're doing incredible video or lower light photography. It is a fully moisture and dust proof lens, so that means you don't have to worry to run for cover if you're in a harsh environment. It gives you the full-time manual focus override because, of course, it has their direct drive supersonic wave motor system. You, of course, have incredible lens technology here. You have your 4 aspherical elements, 3 ED elements, and you have their Nano AR fluorine coating. That means that the front of this lens is resistant to smudges and to dust. So that means that any kind of shooting situation, this guy is going to fit the bill. You don't have to walk around with primes. Again, that constant f4 aperture with the added 9-blade circular diaphragm is going to give you beautiful bokeh and allow you to control your depth of field. Plus, again, having the internal focusing design with full-time manual focus, that means that it's something that allows both the videographer and photographer also to be able to take advantage of any kind of tweaking or peaking in the focus without having to stop and switch over back and forth between manual and autofocus mode. So you're in the market for an all-around full-frame lens for your Sony A series camera. Take a much closer look, and of course their newest in the G series lineup, their FE 24-105 f4 series lens with optical stabilization system. Now, if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit us up with that like button underneath and subscribe to the channel for future overviews, unboxings, and of course frequently asked questions. And if you're visiting the Miami area, come by and say hello at the Digital Goja showroom. Happy shooting.